Meaning of fox.
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 Fox. The word fox refers to a small carnivorous mammal with a pointed snout, bushy tail, and a reputation for cunning and stealth. It is found in many parts of the world and is often admired for its beauty and intelligence. Symbolically, the fox is associated with traits such as cleverness, adaptability, and resourcefulness. In literature and folklore, the fox is often portrayed as a trickster figure or a sly and cunning antagonist. Overall, the term fox carries a complex range of meanings that reflect both the animal's physical characteristics and its cultural significance.